Hello guys, I am mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the front view of the model, and this is the top view of the model, and we'll get help from these dimensions to design this model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions. First, you have to close the model. For closing the model, just come here and click on close, and here comes the new. For making a new part, come to new part. Okay, now we have a new part. First thing first, we have to draw the sketch, but for drawing a sketch, we have to choose a plane. And here we have three standard planes: and front plane, top plane, and right plane. At first, it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane at first. So click on the front plane and click on the sketch. Now we have open a sketch. First thing first, I'm going to draw a horizontal line here. So here I choose a midpoint line, and I start drawing a line from the origin point. So I draw a horizontal line. So you can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the horizontal relation will be applied to my line. Now here we have a vertical line. So I draw a vertical line and a horizontal line, a vertical line, and a horizontal line and a vertical line. Yes, and right click and select to exit the tool. Now we have to apply the dimensions. Here choose the smart dimension. The dimension of this line is 30 millimeter. The dimension of this line is 30 millimeter, and this one have the same dimension. Or we can apply a rotation. So delete this dimension and choose this dimension and press the delete button on your keyboard and hold the control button and choose this line and this line and this line, and in that relation can give it equal relation. Now they have the same dimension. They have all the 30 millimeter dimension. Now choose the smart dimension. The dimension of this line is 30 millimeter, and this one is 45 millimeter. And hold the control button and choose this line and this line, and here in add relation give it equal relation because they have the same dimension. The sketch is fully defined, but we have to mirror these lines to this side of the origin point. So I have to draw a center line. Here choose center line and draw a vertical center line and right click and select. Now I choose mirror entities, and in entities to mirror choose these lines here and this one, and in mirror about choose the center line. You can see the lines will be copied to this side of the center line, and be careful, turn on the copy and click on OK. Now we have to connect this point to this point by a line. So choose line and connect this point to this point and right click and select. Now hold the control button and choose this point and the line here and give it coincident relation. Now everything is fully defined. The sketch is not moving. You can see the sketch is not moving, and everything is black. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations, come to hide and show items, and you can turn on or turn off the sketch view relations or the dimensions. Here comes the feature. If you don't have the feature tab, you can right click and turn on or turn off the feature tab. Here comes the feature and click on extruded boss and base, and in selected contour choose this region, this one and this one, and here must be a sketch plane. We have to extrude the sketch about 15 millimeter, and don't turn on these two options and okay. In this video I'm going to show you how to use shell. This is a new command in SolidWorks. So here click on shell and choose this face, and the thickness is 4.5 millimeter. 4.5 millimeter, and turn on the show preview so you can see the preview. Don't turn on the shell outward. If I click on the shell outward, it will give a thickness around the model. So don't turn on the shell outward, we have to shell inward. So we need a thickness about 4.5 millimeter and click on OK. You can see how useful this command is, the shell command. So play with this command and we'll learn how to use this in SolidWorks. And all we have to do is just apply a color. So click on boss extrude, and I think the color of yellow is better. Yes, this color is much better. And the color of this surface should be, I think, green. And yes, green. And here in view orientation, you can change the different views. So for example, this view I think is better. So we can change the color of surfaces. For example, we can hold the control button, and by choosing these surfaces, we can change the color, for example, to red is, I think, much better. Red. And this one, red color. Please practice at home and do it yourself. And I have uploaded over 60 videos on my YouTube channel about designing in SolidWorks and drawing a sketch and many things about SolidWorks. Please watch those videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.